TryAdaptLearn. In this video, we will try to inflate car tires on a Tesla Model 3. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. The vehicle is powered on from a parked position. At the time of recording, this vehicle did not display the values for the tire pressure on the screen while the vehicle was parked and recently powered on. To view the tire pressure on the display would require the vehicle to be in motion. A check of the sticker on the door was done to view the tire information and specifications for inflating the tires. As seen, the recommended tire pressure is 45 psi for both front and rear tires. The tire itself was checked beginning with the tire size. The next check at the tire is the maximum pressure on the tire. The maximum pressure listed for this tire is 50 psi. Since the Tesla inflation specification is lower than the maximum rating, the tire should be able to withstand the 45 psi cold as well as an increased psi when the tire heats up during normal driving conditions. The next check was done using an analog tire pressure gauge to get a baseline. The inflator tool also includes a tire pressure gauge, and as seen, the analog gauge is 5 psi off from the inflator tool. The inflator was set to 45 psi and the tool automatically stopped when it reached the setting. The inflator was disconnected from the valve stem of the tire and the analog gauge was again used for a reference. During a test drive, it was observed that the tire pressure would not display even after the vehicle was moving. The next step would be to reset the TPMS sensors to learn new tire pressures using the screen inside the Tesla. Since the tire pressure was at or near specification, the TPMS warning light would need to be reset. The procedure to restart the Tesla Model 3 includes two scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel as shown. The scroll wheel buttons must be pushed in together at the same time. Once pushed in together, the screen goes blank for several seconds, then the Tesla logo will reappear. When it's restarted, the screen will display as normal. The vehicle was again driven at low speed to initiate the display of the values for the tire pressure. In addition to the values for the tire pressure, the TPMS warning light was no longer displaying on the screen. I had a great time making this video and hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.